Hi, I'm Will with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about the Big Joe and Stagecoach Duffels. With wheeled and non-wheeled options, our duffels have been updated for every type of traveler. The Big Joe is your rugged carry-all bag, while the Stagecoach is a burly yet stylish rolling duffel. These duffels feature welded, Tarmac waterproof construction with super durable fabric that is puncture, tear, and abrasion resistant. Other common features with both the Big Joe and Stagecoach include zippered interior pocket with exterior access, adjustable padded straps that can be configured as backpack straps or shoulder straps, separate included compression straps for the medium and large sizes, padded grab handles, easy grip zipper pulls with lock compatibility, and tons of webbing loops for lashing it to your yak or kayak. The Big Joe features a top-loading zip design that allows for easy access of the entire bag. This also allows the bag to stand upright when packed. The flush side carry option makes for easy maneuvering through crowds and busy airports with a full duffel. The Stagecoach features high-quality hardware that makes the integrated trolley system extra tough. The burly, extra-tall footstand keeps your bag upright when packed. All Stagecoach sizes include the 2-timer pack that doubles as a day pack for summit attempts or trips to the market, has built-in backpack straps that can be customized as a shoulder bag using one of the exterior duffel straps. The Big Joe comes in 3 sizes, 45 liters, 80 liters, and 110 liters. And the Stagecoach comes in 45 liters, 85 liters, and 125 liters. The Big Joe and Stagecoach Duffels are your ticket to traveling with ease.